How can I turn off cloud syncing on my Xbox One?
Hello, Xbox gamers. Are you looking to take control over your game saves and turn off cloud syncing on your Xbox One? In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to achieve just that. Turning off cloud syncing can be helpful if you want to manage your save files locally, or if you're facing syncing issues.
What is cloud syncing?
Before we dive into the steps, let's understand what cloud syncing is. Cloud syncing on the Xbox One automatically uploads your game saves to Microsoft servers. This means you can access your saved data from any Xbox One console, which is handy if you're moving between consoles or replacing a faulty one. However, there may be times you'd prefer to have it off.
Steps to turn off cloud syncing.
Follow these steps to turn off cloud syncing. 1. Power on your Xbox One and sign into your profile. 2. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. 3. Navigate to Settings, depicted as a cogwheel icon. 4. In the Settings menu, select System. 5. Choose Storage from the list. 6. Now, you should see both your local and cloud storage options. Highlight the Cloud Saved Games option. 7. After highlighting, press the E button on your controller. 8. You'll be presented with options. Choose Turn Off Cloud Storage. 9. Confirm your choice, and that's it. Your Xbox One will now stop syncing new saves to the cloud.
Things to remember.
Turning off cloud syncing means your game saves will only be stored locally on your console. If your console has a problem or if you delete your saved games, they might be gone forever unless you've manually backed them up. You can turn cloud syncing back on at any time by following the same steps and choosing the appropriate option. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to turn off cloud syncing on your Xbox One. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, managing your game saves is crucial, so always ensure you've got backups if you turn off the cloud option. Happy gaming!